This new clamp is working better than expected. It's just for normal rings without them being on the tilt is working absolutely fine. There's no need to flatten them down with a hammer every time. I'm saying this, let's have a look when it comes off. Hopefully it'll be in perfect condition. Yes, as expected, as you can see, everyone is perfectly flat, couldn't be better. So it's coming to it, it's turned out to be really invaluable. I've taken them out of the press, and you can see every single joint is superb. So the clamps are working absolutely wonderful. What I also did, I numbered them just to make sure that you could see where they were. And as I explained about the line, it doesn't really matter when you cut them on the tilt. However, when you cut the plain ones or the Sapele ones, as you can see, this clamp is absolutely superb. It's only going to need just a little bit of sanding down just to take it down. And as I said, you have a wavy line on one side, so they're all on the same side, and then on the inside, I don't know if you can see it, you have a one with a line and then one without, and it's the same on the outside, but it's not very, you can't really see it. There's the line, not a line, a line. So as I say, a great success, the clamp, absolutely wonderful. So I'll get these sanded down, then we'll glue them all together ready to stick onto the bowl. It's time to take the clamp off and have a look and see how the four rings are looking. Hopefully just ready to glue onto the top. Turned out rather well. All we've got to do now is glue that onto the bowl base, and then we're ready for turning. As you can see, the absolutely superb rings, the joints in them will come up rather well. I use the Simon Hope hollowing tool. I think it's absolutely fantastic. As you can see, it has it's a square bar, and the cutting edge is angled at a 45-degree angle. So once you've got the tool onto the tool rest, it automatically goes to 45 degrees and you get a superb cut on it. I've said this before, I always turn them round in this ball reverse chuck. I think it's so important to finish the bottom. If you don't finish the bottom off, then obviously people will pick them up, look at the bottom, and it turns them right off. You get so many comments about how smooth it is and how nice it is. So I always turn it round, finish it off. I must have spent, I don't know, 40 to 50 hours on this particular bowl, and I think for an extra 10 minutes or 15 minutes, I think it's well worth it. That's the bottom finished off. As I explained, it's a far better finish. I've put a coat of microcrystalline wax on it, so it's all ready. I'm just going to turn it over, give it a final polish of microcrystalline wax, and then I'll come back to you. Hello there. Well, I've got it done and it's turned out rather nice. You can see the joints on that are superb. There's no gaps at all in it. Every time I can't praise this sled enough. It's absolutely wonderful. As I was saying earlier on about the bottom, we've got to finish that bottom. It's worth that extra 20 minutes or whatever. I think in total that bowl took me a very enjoyable 40 to 50 hours. Absolutely wonderful, enjoyed every minute. I just hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making that. Anyway, this weekend, it is Easter weekend. I hope everybody has a very pleasant Easter weekend. Hope that's going to be very nice and sunny. It's forecast for a nice weather on Saturday, hopefully Sunday. I'll give you a little snippet of what's coming up. I've acquired this red Marley bear. It looks absolutely wonderful. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I think I'm going to have to keep that edge because it's absolutely wonderful. Although we'll have to keep these two little branches, take them off, should I say, but we'll have to come up with something like that. So can't wait to start on that. I don't think it'll be my next project, but it'll be coming up within the next 1 or 2 videos. Anyway, as I said, Hope everybody has a pleasant Easter weekend. If you haven't already, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Like or share. And until next time, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching now. Bye.